Good morning, namaste, and welcome back to my channel. I haven't vlogged for absolutely ages. I got very sick here in India, unfortunately. So that's why I've not vlogged for maybe a month or so. Oh. But anyway, I'm on the mend. I won't really go too much into my sickness and my illness because I'd like to move forward now. So, as well as being sick, we got a very rainy monsoon. It got very heavy. So I moved from the beach and now live on the hilltop. So in this vlog, I will be bringing you the delights of the hilltop because we get misty mountains. We've got a gorgeous healing garden here. Now that it's monsoon, we've got some lovely plantations. So I will show you the hilltop. I will show you the plantations, the healing garden, all the beautiful things like the misty mountains. And I will also show you my new room tour. I've arrived in a beautiful healing garden and I will take you around the garden. And here we have that beautiful lemongrass bush. So lemongrass is antimicrobial, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. So I think I'll have some lemongrass tea in a bit. I heard it fall. Oh, it fell backwards. And there it is. Happy coconut. Lots of coconut water. Amazing. I love coconut. Grated coconut. Yum. And I think that might go in curry. So we've got this pipe here and it's dripping water into the well. So we're just going to fill the well up with clean water now for things like washing and cleansing, cleaning the dishes, that sort of thing. Lovely. And these, my friends, are banana leaves. So with banana leaves, it's what we eat our dinner off. So they are our natural dinner plates. Lots of tulsi. I think this is Krishna tulsi. If anybody knows, let me know. But it's the best range of tulsi. So those that have got very severe influenza, chest infections, that's the particular one that you need, is the Krishna. Lots of tulsi next to all this greenery. Ah, healing garden's beautiful, isn't it? So the healing garden, that healing garden is located within a homestay called Hariom, a family homestay. So I don't know if you'll be allowed in unless they say you can come in. They said I could come in, but It's worth a try, isn't it? So it is. It's a beautiful, beautiful healing garden. So this hilltop place is always pretty. And I'm now walking the other way from Hurrium and going to see some plantations, which are very usual in this monsoon season. Gorgeous trees along the way, and then this is the path as we head towards the plantations. Just waiting for the cow to cross and then I'll go. It's the jungle, beautiful jungle views, incredible. And then over there, that's all the plantation. Wow, that is what the ladies and gentlemen plant. Isn't that incredible? So what they do is they provide us with food, leaves that we can add to our dishes and our curries. So it's all amazing. People are working in the plantations. Hi! Hi! So I've just come across these ladies. Hi, ladies! Hi! Hi! They're amazing. They're going to carry a bundle of sticks to make a fire. My God, he's right outside my balcony, this one. He's cheeky. Gosh, he's cheeky too, and the dogs are going mad. They're going mad. Oh my God. Wow, I live in a place where monkeys are on my doorstep. Love them. Hi, monkey. Don't be camera shy. That's it. After the excitement of the monkeys, I'm now heading to my room. So there's a nice big double bed, and above it there we've got an air conditioning unit. That's really good for monsoon times, you know, with the damp. And then we've got the fan as well, so you can actually choose what you have on. But on very rainy, stormy days, the air conditioning, I guess, is the best because of the damp. And straight ahead we have the wardrobes. So many rooms in India don't actually have wardrobes, but this one does, and it's another benefit because of the monsoon time, so clothes don't get damp. And then bathroom area. There we go, we've got taps, we've got a shower, and we've also got buckets if you want bucket bath or you wish to do your laundry. And your sink area. Again, in Gokarna, not many places have a sink area, but this one does. And a mirror. So I have a narrow balcony, but as you walk forward, you can sit in the wider part, just where my broom is. These are the trees where the naughty monkeys were. So, and also some space to just dry out my clothes. As you can see, it's monsoon, but we've got a nice day today. And I've got all this netting on the balcony to stop those monsoon rains coming in. So for a room like that, you could pay anything up to 1,500, simply because it does have the air conditioning and it's a good size. But again, that's really up to the landlord, between the landlord and between the tenants. So, I think it's been a good move for me to go to the Hilltop because, as you can see, the room's very protected. My clothes can remain dry. I've got the air conditioning because the storms here have been horrendous and I was so sick of those storms. Oh, but never mind. So, and again, I'm very protected with the net now as well. I wouldn't say the net is 100% protection, but it stops a lot of the rain coming in, stops a lot of the balcony floor getting wet. And of course, here on the Hilltop, I can just eat from the land with the plantations and the healing garden and these beautiful, beautiful views, especially of those misty mountains. So yes, I did make a good move to the Hilltop because we are no longer summer season time. Weather is very unpredictable. So, I'll probably start to end the vlog here today. And you know the drill, if you like the video, then you give it a like, which is the thumbs up. And I'd be ever so grateful for subscriptions to my channel because you will get to see lots more here in India, and of course lots more information about India and tourism. So it's just amazing. You will also see things like cookery sessions because there's many people that can't come to India at the moment, but I can bring India to them and they can do maybe perhaps some cookery demonstrations. So lots to see and lots to do. So yes, please subscribe. I'd be ever so grateful. So Shanti 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 Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you very much for watching the vlog and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.